Hi you guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Ipsy. So I finally decided to subscribe to Ipsy, and I'm so excited to get this. I just woke up, so it's very early in the morning. I did receive this yesterday. I did take a peek inside. But if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy and you love makeup, then definitely subscribe. It's well worth it, as I will show you in the next few minutes. Let's get into it. Comes in a little package, so it's pink. Oh, I got cats. We have to watch out for them. Go on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, and oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing we get is a little brush on the outside. But just to tell you, the Ipsy Glam bag comes with 5 sample size products. Sometimes you get deluxe, sometimes you get full size, just depending on your bag. But for the most part, it's 5 sample size products. And I wanted to get this because I've always used just drugstore makeup, and I really never spent the money on good quality name brand products. So we're gonna try them out and see if I like them. So the first thing we got is this brush. It's by Firma, and it's just a nice soft little blending brush, and I love it. So I'm starting to get a collection of brushes, and since I've subscribed to this, I also subscribe to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and BoxyCharm and Scentbird, so we will be doing all of those reviews on here. Normally I'll be wearing the products that I get, but this morning I didn't put any on yet. Okay, so we have every month, this comes in a bag. This month's bag is, it says Dream, and it's little stars, and it has a blue dream in the center, and it has a little plastic little circle for the zipper. And I did get 2 extra items that I ordered, so there's going to be more than what you would normally get in here. I also got a bonus item, it looks like, because I only ordered 2 extra items, and there's still another extra in here, so I'm excited. Okay, so let's get into it. First thing we have is a card, and this month's theme is Dream It. And it says, new month, new year, and the sky is the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bowed lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. And it just gives you the Ipsy.com website. Inside, it tells you about all the products that we did receive, and it gives you the value of the full-size products if you were to buy them. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Biro Salmon Cream. I don't know if it's good or not, but so let's see. It does come sealed, and it says, packed with omega-3s and fatty acids, salmon is a healthy superfood that nourishes your body and your skin. You'll find it in this nutrient-dense cream made with salmon extract that's prized for its ability to improve skin health and fight fine lines and wrinkles. So, I haven't tried this yet. Let's see. It really don't have a smell. So let's just try a little. It kind of Maybe it has like a minty smell to it. But it definitely feels good on your face. It's a thicker kind of cream. It's not like a gel. And at full value, this product is $120. So it's supposed to be some good stuff, I guess. Okay, so the next thing we have is, this is the Catrice Luminance highlighter in Lumi. So it comes in a little bubble wrap. Let's just get into it. And this is what it looks like. And it is so pretty. It's like, I don't know if you can really see it very good here, but it has got a really good glow shimmer. I'm going to get better lighting for my videos. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know, you can't really see it in this lighting, but it's so pretty. I can't wait to wear this. And this says, a few sweeps of this warm golden highlighter will give your skin the most gorgeous glow. It's made with ultra-fine light reflecting powder pigments that can be sheared out or built up depending on your desired level of luminosity. So, definitely excited to try that. Okay, so the next thing we have is, this is Bye Bye Under Eye. This is an anti-aging concealer in 13.0 Light Natural is the color. So, it says, creamy, dreamy, skin brightening, glow inducing. This baby has all the things we love in a concealer. This full coverage, waterproof formula means it's on for the long haul. Plus, it's made with hyaluronic acid to hydrate, collagen to help plump, and peptides to smooth and firm skin. So, let's take it out of this little package. This is the size, and just want to squeeze a little out just to see the color. Oh, it's thick, very thick. I think a little bit of this is going to go a long way. I'll put a little bit on just to see. Which I still got. I think I'm going to like this. So, that is the Bye Bye Under Eye. And the next thing we have is the YC collection, Let Me First Primer in Mini. This is, it says, primer isn't just another extra step. If you want your skin to look and feel smooth and your makeup to last for hours too, primer is a must. This one has a velvety texture that minimizes pores, and I love a velvety texture. It's my favorite. And grips whatever makeup you layer on top for flawless all-day wear. So I'm definitely going to put this on today before I do the makeup, which I know I just put a little bit of that concealer on, but that's okay. It's very pretty, like, and it goes on so thick. So this one, well, let's open it. Okay, so it comes sealed also. And it's like a pinkish, very gel-like texture. And it really goes into the skin. I really like that. Very smooth. It doesn't really, maybe it has a little bit of a scent, but it doesn't smell bad at all. So that's that. It's a pretty big size too. Okay, so now we're into the other items that I received. This is the one that I got that I did not order extra. It was just extra in the bag, and it is Suva Beauty eyeshadow. And so I don't have a card that tells me anything about this, so we're just going to open it up and check it out. If I can get it out. Cute little box. Well, this is, comes in a cute little case that says Suva on it. And I'm guessing this is, it says shimmer eyeshadow. And I'm guessing the color is coriander. I don't know how you say that. And anyway, it's like a tannish gold flaky color. I know you can't see it here, and I promise I'll get better lighting. But this here is very pretty, and it's a very neutral color. So I can definitely use that. I do like bold colors a lot, but I use a lot of this stuff too. Okay, so the next two things I got is things that I added on to my bag and paid for. And the first one is the Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. And I didn't get one of these in my bag, so I added it on because I wanted to try some good mascara. It comes in a little tube, which is very cute. And I've been watching a lot of videos that say the little tubes are better because you use them up and they don't get old on you. And this is the applicator. It smells good. It smells really good. It smells luxurious. So, very excited about this. All this stuff I'll be putting on my face today. And the last thing I have in here is the Yensa Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation Full Coverage Foundation. And it also has sunscreen. So it just basically tells you to prime your skin with the Yensa Tone Up Primer for flawless base. Apply a smooth, even layer of BC foundation all over the skin. It's in the color light neutral. And let's open this up. It is also sealed. And we're going to try a little. Oh, I like that too. Very pretty. Oh, I'm so excited to put this on my face. Yes, I love it. I have cats, so you're going to have to just bear with me. But you can't really see it, but it's very, very pretty. It's very satiny. I would put it over the primer that I was using, the YC Collection primer, on my hand, and it just looks very, very pretty. And I'm so excited to use it. So yay. So that was my Ipsy bag, and I'm definitely very happy with everything I got, and I'm excited to use my products, and I cannot wait for my next Ipsy. I did sign up for the Glam Bag Plus, which I have not received yet. I'll get that in February. So we'll do the unboxing of February's together. And yeah, so I'm just excited to get into my products and put them on my face. And yeah, so I will see you next time, hopefully. And I'll look a little better, be a little bit more refreshed. And I will see you later. So y'all have a great day, and subscribe and hit the bell on my videos so you can get updates on when any new videos come out. And I say and a lot. And I'll see you later.